Hello everybody, I'm Kotayo. I'm going to present my paper, The Evaluation of Hong Kong Students' Perception of E-books in Higher Education. This is my project outline, introduction, literature review, research, methodology, analysis of result and conclusion. So this is the outline of the introduction. So for the background, want to check the using rate of the e-book in higher education and the student perception. This is my two research question. Do university students have a positive attitude and behavior intention toward e-books? Which characteristic drives student perception toward e-book? So introduction, I will investigate the Hong Kong University student about the perception of e-book and examining their characteristics. So the project scope just check the difference between university. There's a big university in Hong Kong. So I want to help university to recognize the perception of students toward e-books. How about the reference for university course design improvement of the e-book technology? A literature review, actually what is the history, what is e-book and how to implement of the e-book. There's actually the e-books you can see, maybe you can have an iPad or even the smartphone, you can have all of the e-book even in your computer. The e-book, this is the background of the e-book, okay? So actually, the implementation, I just want to check what students start using the e-book, when, what kind of the technology can be used to support. Hardware and software, PC, e-reader, smartphone, the iPad. Okay, for the technology, maybe there's some alphabet, calibrate and kind application. For the research methodology, I used the survey, a questionnaire, to investigate the Hong Kong student. So actually, I used the primary data, such as a questionnaire. So analysis method is simple and very clear, and it is easy for the justification. So, but the research sample is quite small, so actually a large sample can create a reliable data. Okay, analysis of result and discussion. I use the SPSS to analyze the result. So here you can see there's some summary for the demographic statistic in the correlation. The gender, 50-50, half-half. Age, you can see that actually I based on the higher education students, so normally is between this one, 18 to 22 years old. This is several university, okay. The grade that's been which level, which year they take. Even there's some postgraduate student. The major, such as engineering, major is engineering because I work in engineering department. It is more easy to get the sample. The time spent on e-book per week, most probably this is about this one, about 1 hour. Time spent on every session, it is about here, less than 5 minutes. This is the time spent on e-book per day for long educational purpose. This is 4 minutes. Okay. Now I want to analyze the result. Okay. You can see this one. Perceived description. There's a 120. The sample size is 120. This one, attitude about the e-books. it is above average, okay, above average, positive attitude. For the ebook, you can see the design format should be well planned, otherwise they will lose the interest. Okay, about the behavior intention, it is a 3.56, also positive. And this one, for determining the perception, 3.7 are also positive result. And then conclusion. So actually, this is very convenient because if you have the iPad, notebook, or something like that, you can use the ebook for the learning. Okay. Disadvantage. Normally, maybe there's a low universal standard. Maybe you cannot access in some country. On the other hand, the user should be trained for their skills. Our recommendation can add attractive feature. Actually, Hong Kong government can play the important role about this one. Okay, thank you very much.